Are you currently with SJD Accountancy or Nixon Williams? If so, I think you'll find this video pretty interesting because over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you our brand new data migration tool. This allows you to switch accountant in a few days rather than a few months it takes to do it the traditional way. Let me show you how it works. First, what you do is log into any accounts and authorize us to connect to SJD Nixon Williams. And what that does in the background is kicks off our data migration process to start pulling through all of your accounting data. I'm just going to fast forward and show you a company that's complete. So you can see here that the migration is complete. And the first trick that we've got is this. Click on this button here. You can download a zip file backup of all your accounting data from those portals. And you can tuck that away on your hard drive for safekeeping. The next thing, if we click on this button here to view the collected data, it takes you into this fast, quite utilitarian read-only view of all the data that we've pulled in. So in here we can see a list of invoices. You can browse through to the line level detail. You can see the expense sheets, look at the expenses that have been imported, dividends, bank payments. All of the data is in there. And it's just a really fast and efficient way to navigate through your data. But our tool doesn't stop there. What we do from here is then take this and then import it into our cloud accounting app. And this is so seamless that people who've been through this process say that they cannot tell that they've not been within the accounts for years. It really is a comprehensive data migration that we do. So let me show you how this works. So here's this particular client in this staging area. Let's just drop into any accounts. And here we can see, here's a list of invoices. Click through into an individual invoice and see the line level details that are in there. We can see all the pay slips for this company, all the dividends that have been paid. If I go into bookkeeping, as you'd expect, all the bookkeeping transactions are there that we have imported. Not only that, we're also authorised by the Financial Conduct Authority to use open banking, which means that going forward, we can connect to your bank and keep this up to date. Now, I know you might have been able to do this historically, but it might have been quite a limited number of bank accounts, whereas with any accounts, we connect to dozens and dozens of banks from HSBC, Barclays, right through to the challengers like Starling or Tide. So it really is a comprehensive list of banks that we can connect to. We also have things like your VAT returns. We import all of those so you know that you're up to date with your VAT. And there's also a whole host of extra features that are available through any accounts, such as things like comprehensive accountancy reports. We've got great payroll with support for workplace pensions if you're looking to expand your team. Multi-currency invoicing. So let's say you get a gig contracting remotely for a client in Switzerland, you can raise your invoices in Swiss francs and we'll handle all the complex currency conversions for you. So that's the data migration. It really is that straightforward. And I know I've covered a lot in the last few minutes, but I think the main thing to realise is that all you need to do is log into any account, authorise that connection, and away you go. We'll pull through all of this data for you. And not only that, as a team of professional accountants, what we'll also do is review your accounts as well. So we'll get you up to date with HMRC if you've fallen behind. We'll check over your accounts for and try and find any quality issues, and also look for any missed tax saving opportunities. And quite often we do find those missed opportunities, so we can help to give you advice on that as well. If you're interested in trying out our migration tool and switching to any accounts, head to anyaccounts.co.uk/migrate, and all the information that you need is on here. It tells you about what we do, what's included, lots of FAQs, our pricing's on there as well. And it's really straightforward to get started. Click this yellow button here, pop your details in, and away you go. And as a little bonus, the first 3 months with us are completely free as well. So that'll give you time to get your data migrated, for us to check over everything for you. You'll get used to the software, and for those first 3 months, you don't have to pay us a penny. So just to recap, go to anyaccounts.co.uk/migrate, hit the yellow button to start your migration today. If you've got any questions, our contact details are on there too. And I think that's everything. Thanks for watching.